Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical shower door, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Shower Door, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best shower door from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dreamline Alliance Pro Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door in Matte Black and Clear Glass. Upgrade your bathroom with the Dreamline Alliance Pro Semi-Frameless Shower Door in elegant matte black and clear tempered glass. This budget-friendly yet stylish door is part of the Alliance Pro BG collection, designed with a sleek, modern headrail to complement a variety of bathroom decors. The double-sliding bypass design allows entry from either side, making it perfect for flexible installations. Featuring 3x16-inch certified tempered glass and smooth gliding rollers, this door ensures durability and easy operation. An integrated towel bar adds convenience, while top and bottom guide rails can be trimmed up to 4 inches for precise fitting. Designed for openings up to 60 inches wide and 76 to 3x8 inch high, it's ideal for a range of shower spaces. The door also includes aluminum water guards to handle uneven walls and requires a minimum threshold depth of 1 to 1x2 inch for proper installation. Professional installation is recommended for best results and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Eurotech Showers Classic Semi-Frameless Double-Sliding Glass Shower Door with Clear Tempered Safety Glass. Elevate your bathroom with the Eurotech Showers Classic Semi-Frameless Double-Sliding Glass Shower Door, designed for both style and functionality. Featuring 1x4-inch or 6mm ANSI certified clear tempered safety glass, this door ensures durability and peace of mind. Its adjustable width fits spaces between 56.5 to 60 inches, while the tall 72-inch height offers a spacious, modern look. With minimal overlap and a walk-in width of 25 to 28.5 inches, it provides both elegance and convenience. Smooth, silent operation is guaranteed thanks to hidden roller brackets enclosed inside the anodized aluminum top track. Built for longevity, the rust-resistant aluminum frame components deliver superior strength. It includes water diverters to manage splashes and Enduro Shield coating for easy cleaning and protection against stains. The door offers up to 3x8 inches adjustability for out-of-plumb walls, making installation simple. Clear instructions with illustrations are included, but professional installation is recommended. Enjoy unbeatable customer service from our California-based warehouse. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Number 3. GETPRO Shower Door Double-Sliding Semi-Frameless Bypass Bathroom Glass Shower Sliding Doors with Clear Tempered Glass. Upgrade your bathroom with the GETPRO Double Sliding Semi-Flexible Frameless Shower Door, designed for durability, flexibility, and modern elegance. Measuring 60-inch wide, 72-inch height, this stylish bypass door fits openings from 57 to 60 inches by trimming the guide rail for a custom fit. Its reversible design allows left or right wall installation, making it perfect for any bathroom layout, especially in limited spaces. Crafted with a robust matte black aluminum frame and ANSI-certified 1x4-inch tempered glass panels, it ensures long-lasting use and safety. The dual curved top track enhances stability, while the nano-coated glass resists stains and buildup for easy cleaning. Anti-collision buffer corners provide safer, quieter operation. Packed in a sturdy, impact-tested box, your shower door arrives in perfect condition. Professional installation is recommended, and full instructions plus a video guide are included. GETPRO stands behind their quality with responsive after-sale service. Contact them for any concerns or replacements. Transform your shower into a sleek, functional space today. Number 4. KPUY Frameless Sliding Glass Shower Door Tempered Clear Glass with Explosion-Proof Film Nano Coating. Transform your bathroom with the KPUY Frameless Sliding Glass Shower Door, designed for modern style, safety, and performance. Measuring 54-inch wide into 76-inch height, this sleek door features a frameless design with a matte black aluminum finish that resists corrosion and adds a touch of sophistication. Adjustable to fit widths from 50 to 54 inches, it offers flexibility for different layouts. The entrance height of 72 inches ensures head clearance, enhancing comfort and usability. Crafted with 1x4-inch SGCC certified tempered clear glass and covered with an explosion-proof film, it maximizes safety by minimizing injury risk even under impact. The nano-coated glass repels water stains, making cleaning effortless. Enjoy splash-proof technology and high-quality waterproof sealing to keep your bathroom dry. Heavy-duty stainless steel rollers and a smooth sliding track provide quiet, seamless operation. This shower door also includes interchangeable left or right installation options, all necessary hardware, and detailed instructions. Professional installation is recommended. Redefine your daily routine with both style and security. Number 5. Sweet Milano double sliding framed shower door, clear tempered glass, 18-inch pull handle. Upgrade your bathroom with the MoSweet Milano double sliding framed shower door, a perfect blend of style, strength, and functionality. This 60-inch deluxe framed shower door features premium clear tempered glass that meets ANSI Z97.1 to 2015 and 16 CFR 1201 2 safety standards. The sturdy stainless steel frame and solid top track ensure lasting durability, while the elegant black finish adds a modern touch to any bathroom decor. The 18-inch pull handle doubles as a towel bar for added convenience. Designed with flexibility in mind, it supports up to 4 inches of trimming to fit a variety of shower room sizes. Featuring MoSweet's innovative Crystal X Tech coating, the glass repels water and stains, making it effortless to keep clean. A waterproof seal system ensures no leaks, keeping your bathroom dry and tidy. With a seamless sliding mechanism and a minimum threshold depth of 4 inches, this shower door delivers both comfort and performance. Professional installation is recommended for best results. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.